hookers, cocaine, and spousal privilege. This video is going to be a little bit longer, and it's going to be kind of complicated, so you're going to have to concentrate to keep up. But I did a video where I talked about my wife finding pictures of me snorting cocaine out of a hooker's belly button and then turning that over to the police. And a lot of you said, well, hang on, John, two problems. Number one, got to prove it's a hooker and cocaine. Number two, spousal privilege. So let's talk about spousal privilege in that context. If my wife finds those pictures and text messages that I am sending to the hooker saying, hey, I'll pay you $200, you come over, let me do some freaky stuff till you snort some cocaine out of your belly button, my wife can choose to testify, and I can't keep her from it. Spousal privilege in that context is testimonial privilege, meaning that she holds the power. She gets to decide whether or not she wants to testify. And there's a U.S. Supreme Court case on that too called Trammell versus U.S. And in Trammell they said, look, spousal privilege is to protect the sanctity of the marriage and preserve that marriage. But if she wants to testify, that marriage is probably over because he's snorting cocaine out of a hooker's belly button. So the testimonial privilege is up to the spouse, not the accused. But what if she also found text messages and showed them to the police where I am texting with her saying, baby, that hookers and cocaine meant nothing to me. I'll never get with another hooker, and I'll never do cocaine out of anybody's belly button but yours. Now, if I send that text to her, now that is a confidential communication between spouses, and I do get to claim that privilege. So communication between spouses can be protected by either spouse, but just testifying about what they had seen, that is up to the spouse themselves. And there are a lot of different rules on when that can be breached. There are a lot of different rules on when that privilege doesn't apply at all. But those are the general rules under the federal law, and each state will have different laws. Those are the general rules on spousal privilege.